Happy early Valentine's, everybody. It is KolorPop Designz, and I am back with another video. I would first like to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys. Let's get right on to it. I'm making some Valentine robots for my kiddo that is in preschool. And yeah, I could have did some goodie bags, but you know what? I'm extra. I went on Pinterest. I was like, ooh, I like that. And put a little spin on it. So this is what we're going to do. Now, you may be thinking like, oh, I don't have, kids of my own. Maybe you're a teacher. Maybe you want to do a birthday party or something like that. You don't have to actually do this for Valentine's Day. It can be for any occasion. And I think that the kids are going to love it. So some of the tools that you guys are going to need, we're going to need some Hershey Kisses, pipe cleaner, googly eyes, applesauce, Sicklets, double crisp, nerds, and apple juice. I've already made a couple. Ain't these cute? Get out your juice box, okay? Then I'm going to take my applesauce. I'm going to just put some hot glue right here and around here. And I'm using hot glue gun. And you don't want the thing to show, so I'm just going to kind of center it as best as I can. That gives you the head. Everything I got from Dollar Tree, I was able to spend $10. And I could have spent just $7, but the juice boxes they had at the Dollar Tree were like super short. They were like this short. And you want to make sure that your straw is on the back. I'm going to use these Sicklets. And I don't want to use hot glue. I have some glue dots. So I'm going to be using these. Putting the glue dots like right, literally below the little flat. Like right there. You know, my son's class is like 8 kids, so they'll like these. So what I'm going to do is, where I put the glue dot, you can't see it, it's right here. But I'm just going to slide the Sicklets down and this little excess paper. I'm just going to stick it right there. See? I have some nerds. And these are going to be the feet. So this is going to be their feet. The robot feet. This is the front part of my robot. And what I'm going to do is I am going to glue these right here smack down on the top to create the feet. Like how right here. And I got my juice boxes. And yeah, I could have got apple juice. The apple juice box was like green outline. And I was going for like the Valentine theme. So I got the fruit punch. Only glued on this side and this side. Those are the only 2 spots I glued. So there we go. We got him feet. So next what we're going to do is we're going to add a hat. You can do whatever you want to do, but this is just what I'm doing. I promise Pinterest will get you all the way messed up. Because when I was trying to find some creative ideas and I had saw this, I was just like, ooh, I should do this. And I just kind of put a little spin on it by making some things looking like it's coming out of the robot's head. Just kind of make it like my own. So I put a glue dot right here. I don't know if it's come up on the camera, but it's like right here in the center. And I'm just going to put a red Hershey Kiss. And again, I got this from the Dollar Tree. So there it fits right there. So okay, we going. And we're going to get the heart. Now this one I had to test out a couple times because the glue dots was not sticking. So what I'm having to do is use a glue gun, blow the glue a little bit, because again I'm using a hot temp and I don't want it to seep through or go near the chocolate. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do right under, just a little bit. Just stick it on there. So we got his heart and we got his hat. We got his shoes and we got the arms. We got the head. So now let's put a face on it. I already had these googly eyes because my son has made slime, likes to make slime. But when we had got these, we had got them from Target. But you should be able to find them at any craft store, Walmart, or Dollar Tree. What I've been doing all kind of different eyes, y'all. Like I got eyes up and down, big eyes, dysfunctional eyes. Just being fun with it. And I'm just going to put the eyes like right here. And you know what? I could probably put a middle one in the middle. Put one in the middle. I'm going to use one of the little bitty small ones. And I'm just going to put it in the center. So I'm just going to put this one right there. I'm going to use, correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments, I think this is called pipe cleaner or something like that. I did get the idea off of Pinterest as far as them making the robot, but I was trying to make it my own though. I'm going to take whatever, I mean, you can skip this step altogether and you can just have these and be done. You know what I'm saying? If you wanted to make it like a healthy like robot, you can still do the applesauce. You can do apple juice, the honest juice, any kind of organic juice. It doesn't have to be this. Instead of the nerds, you can do raisins or craisins. I've seen like the Starburst little packs. You can find those little mini packs of like stick pretzels that's individually packaged. Those will be cute on both sides. You can do some different things. You don't have to do the heart, you know what I mean? Just make it your own. Here go the front of my robot. And I'm just going to, there's like a groove into the applesauce. And you want to just kind of lay it in there. And in the back, what I'm doing is twisting a couple times. Like that. So you have these little two people things, whatever it's called. Make sure it's even. And then stick it in one, then twist a couple more times, or 3 times. Okay, and it's gonna come up, but don't worry about it because we're gonna secure it down. Parts, separate them. You're gonna take these two, and then you're gonna take these two, and then you're gonna twist. Now, this area right here, when you flip it up, we're gonna hot glue this so it can stay, just like that. So I'm just gonna put just a couple, not a lot, just a little dab of hot glue. Stick it. This is the back of the juice box and the back of the applesauce. One is taller than the other. So I'm just gonna use this color pencil to make it really curly. Okay. You see that? Just pull them up. Kids are like that. And it's all a Valentine's Day treat. If you like this video, you guys, give it a thumbs up. Comment if you want. Definitely subscribe if you haven't. Again, I would like to thank all of my new followers and the current followers. Thank you for sticking with me and subscribing to the channel. I wanted to come and show you guys a little project that I was already going to do. I hope you guys like it. Here you go. Stay tuned for the next video, you guys.